Hey there, car enthusiasts and cleaning aficionados. Are you tired of streaky windshields and those pesky smudges that block your view while driving? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the world of windshield cleaners, uncovering the absolute best products to keep your car's interior spotless and crystal clear. From ultimate shine to streak-free magic, we've got the insights you need. Whether you're a busy parent, a road trip lover, or simply someone who values a pristine ride, this video is packed with tips and reviews that'll elevate your cleaning game. So, buckle up and let's get your windshield sparkling like never before. Number 5. Adams Polish's Glass Cleaner 2-Pack. Elevate your car cleaning routine with this exceptional car window cleaner, designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. Adams' new and improved glass cleaner boasts an all-natural, streak-free formula that guarantees flawless results. With breakthroughs in polymer technology, this eco-friendly cleaner is free from harsh chemicals, ensuring it's safe for use on all types of glass, including tinted windows. Enjoy crystal clear visibility as it effortlessly eliminates fingerprints, haze, and smudges, making it the best windshield cleaner for the inside of your car. This UV-stable formula even works wonders on screens and mirrors around your home. Priced for value and rated an impressive 4.6 on Amazon, Adams Glass Cleaner is the ideal companion for achieving spotless glass surfaces while keeping your family and the environment safe. Don't forget to pair it with Adams Microfiber Glass Cleaning Towel for that streak-free, professional finish every time. Number 4. Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner. The ultimate solution for keeping your car windows sparkling clean. This innovative gel formula is specifically designed to tackle severe hard water spots, calcium buildup, and heavy lime scale. With its refreshing mint scent, cleaning becomes a delightful experience rather than a chore. The Driven Glass Cleaner not only removes pesky salt spray deposits, but also effectively eradicates rust deposits, alkali, and paint over spray, making it a versatile must-have for any car enthusiast. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.3, it's clear that users rave about its powerful cleaning abilities. If you're searching for the best windshield cleaner for inside car, look no further. Enhance your driving experience with crystal clear visibility and a spotless interior, thanks to Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner. Give your windows the care they deserve. Number 3. Invisible Glass. The number 1 top-selling window and glass cleaner that's perfect for both your home and your car. With its deep cleansing foam action, you can easily scrub away road grease, grime, dirt, fingerprints, and salt, achieving a brilliant, streak-free shine that makes your glass look practically invisible. What sets this product apart is its 100% residue-free formula, free from soaps, scents, and dyes, ensuring spotless results without any streaky additives. Plus, it's safe for tinted glass, making it the best windshield cleaner for inside your car, perfect for maintaining a crystal clear view. Proudly made in the USA, Invisible Glass is your reliable choice for unmatched performance and satisfaction. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.6, users rave about its effectiveness and ease of use. Experience the clarity and spotless shine today with Invisible Glass. Number 2. Kochami Glass Cleaner is the ultimate solution for achieving streak-free brilliance on all smooth surfaces. Whether in your vehicle, home, or commercial space, with a fresh fragrance and a ready-to-use formula, this powerful cleaner effortlessly tackles the most stubborn dirt, oil, grease, insects, and residues. Designed for convenience, it spreads quickly and leaves no streaks, thanks to its gloss and smoothness additive, which enhances the effectiveness of your cleaning cloth. Ideal for windows, mirrors, tiles, and sheet metal. This versatile cleaner ensures that all surfaces shine like new. trusted since 1968. Coke Chemi stands for excellence in cleaning and care products, making this glass cleaner a must-have for anyone seeking the best windshield cleaner for inside their car. With an impressive customer rating of 4.7 on Amazon, it's clear that users appreciate the outstanding performance and quality of KOCHCHEMI glass cleaner. Number 1. Chemical Guys CLD 30016 Glass and Window Cleaner. This amazing product is your ultimate solution for crystal clear, hassle-free glass. Rated 4.5 stars on Amazon. It's designed to effortlessly remove dirt, dust, fingerprints, and grime without leaving streaks or residue. What makes it stand out? It's ammonia-free, making it completely safe for tinted windows, so you can clean with peace of mind. This gentle formula contains anti-static agents, ensuring that once your glass is clean, it stays cleaner by resisting the attraction of dust. Not only does it work wonders on cars, but it's also perfect for your home or office, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal. Whether you want to spruce up your glass or make your mirrors and screens shine, Chemical Guys has you covered. Experience professional quality results with the best windshield cleaner for your car's interior today. In conclusion, choosing the best windshield cleaner for the inside of your car can significantly enhance your driving experience by ensuring clear visibility and a spotless finish. Whether you prefer eco-friendly options or professional-grade products, the right cleaner will make a difference. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect windshield cleaner for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.